Listen, you can start a business today and let AI do all of the work. First off, AI can give you feedback on your business idea. Just go to this website here. Cool, now you need a domain, so go check if they're available. AI can do all that work for you. Time for a logo. Skip the designer this time around. These websites above, they got you, easy money. Speaking of websites, you need a website for your business. AI's got you covered. What about professional photos of your product? Skip the photographer this time around. Just go to this website. It's that easy. What if you need to create professional videos? There's no need for an expensive studio or equipment. Synthesia's got you back. Or Roberto, I need art for my business. Well, you are in luck because AI art is booming right now. I'm telling you, right here. Now, maybe you want to create a blog for your business to get people in the door. AI is going to do this super, super well for you. Even if you need help writing a bio. Now, you need help with code? Easy mode. Maybe you need your already existing code reviewed. Now, maybe you need a voiceover. We're talking about marketing, sales automation. Well, that landscape is moving really, really fast. Check it out above. And the list goes on and on and on. Listen, just about any creative or business endeavor can be streamlined or automated with AI. Also remember that today's AI is the worst it's ever gonna be. So if you don't find it super, super impressive, just keep in mind that in 10 years from now, it's gonna be unbelievably robust. Things are about to get really, really wild. Follow along. I'll keep you updated. Peace.